Hello! In today's video tutorial, we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Telegram group chat link. So first of all, open up the chat in question, or should I say open up the chat that you would like to share the link of. Tap over here. Next, tap on this pencil. In here you have the invite link section, which you want to go for. And in here you'll have the invite link that you need to simply copy and send to the person that, you would like to invite to this group. So basically there is also the second, should I say, part of this question. Once your once your chat is not private but public, which I'll set it to right now, it is required that you create some public link for it. So let's say I'll type in reset hard 1 already. And now once your group chat is public and you would like to share the link for it, you gotta do pretty much the same steps, or should I say take the same steps, but it will have this public link, which you can also copy and send to the person that you are going to invite. Or if your group chat is public, you can simply go for the group info page and it will have the invite link over here now. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.